The Data Syncs tab is very similar to the Listeners tab. As we can see, we still have the time filter to choose the time range in which we want the information analysed. We can also see the tags we may have assigned to the different created data syncs. However, the difference lies in the fact that in this graph and in these metrics, the displayed information is about outgoing events or outgoing data. Just like the data with the average events per second or the average megabytes leaving the infrastructure. Just like with Listeners, we have the option to view the syncs we've created in card or table format, in which we see the same information in both cases. And finally, we can sort these elements by type of sync we are using. This way, we can see syncs for syslog, Splunk, or HTTP. To configure a data sync, it is necessary to provide a name, optionally add a description, and specify where the data will be sent, through which port, using which protocol, and how the events will be separated. That's it. We don't need to configure any other parameters here. And there are some differences in other syncs. In the case of some syncs, such as the HTTP sync, only the metadata part is configured: name, description, and tags. Why? As we'll see when discussing data syncs within pipelines, HTTP syncs are configured by specifying the method for the request, the path the request is sent to, and by setting several different parameters. If these parameters were to be included at the creation stage, for example to send data to the same URL using two different methods, we would need to create two separate data syncs, potentially increasing the number of syncs we need to manage. Instead, we create the container that holds the connection, and all the connection parameters are configured within the pipeline, giving us more flexibility in setting up these connections. Lastly, it's possible to see the range of destinations to which we can send data. Tools like Slack, Telegram, Seams like QRadar or Devo, and we can send to ticketing tools like PagerDuty or Jira, or use more conventional protocols like TCP or syslog.